As the authors suggest, in ongoing dating and marital relationships, people generally only feel satisfied and committed themselves when they trust that their partner's love and commitment and thus responsiveness is secure. It is then possible to operate from a secure base. So we talked about, attachments, and we talked about secure base, and how the baby feels secure to, fully explore its environment, and then will happily return to its mother as a secure base, or if its mother leaves the room, when the mother returns, will happily reunite. Okay, not demonstrate ambivalence to the mother. So people tend to feel satisfied, committed when they trust their partner's love and commitment. Well, the very fact that the person is, deciding to replace you tells you enough, to suggest that you can't trust that partner's love and commitment, because then it's conditional. It's conditional if that if you try to become irreplaceable, and it might work with the partner, it might only work with the partner for a short term, meaning that the person that the partner wants to be with is not available, or is not coming around, or is, stalling and procrastinating. However, when that person decides to come back around, you'll be hard pressed to trust your partner love and commitment and responsiveness, right? Because that responsiveness is also conditional based upon if the, say, high value potential alternative receives their love or not receive their love. Have you noticed that if your man has been cheating, he comes home and one day he just makes love to you like there's no other, or your woman has been cheating, and all of a sudden, she comes home and she makes love to you like no other. If you remember that Tyler Perry movie, Why Did We Get Married 2, and Tyler Perry's character, his wife, was emotionally cheating. She wasn't sexually cheating, but she was emotionally cheating. And one night she comes home and she makes passionate love to him like he has never, ever experienced. It might be because a lot of times they don't want to cheat on the current partner, but they need to express those feelings. And that's a hard thing, because you think that your partner is responding to you, but they are actually responding to the person that they will use to replace you. And so in many cases, even though Tyler Perry's character wife does not physically leave him, she emotionally left him. She emotionally replaced him. So that's kind of interesting. I hope you watch that movie again.